Hey guys, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to be replacing the front left and right foot peg brackets. In one of my previous videos I showed you guys where the peg goes in, the actual, one of the pieces come out. I'll show you later in the video and explain why these stock brackets are just garbage and the new ones are so much better. Anyway, without further ado, let's jump right into it. So if you guys can see, one of the brackets busted off, and I don't know, that doesn't look like metal to me. It looks like composite or almost like concrete. Anyway, these brackets are really brittle, and if you're planning on upgrading your motor or anything like that, I suggest that you replace these as well.